Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says if the letters of the word assassin are written down in a row. So we have to write down assassin in a row. Okay. The probability that no two S occur together means S cannot sit together, means we should apply tie and gap method, and especially in this question we have to apply gap. So in gaps we have to substitute S. So first we will count the letters. So we have A, S, S, A, S, S, I, N. So these are the letters which we guys are having. Now let's write down the final probability. So required probability. You know that the total number of arrangement is what? Like without condition we have to arrange them. So it is, wait. So we guys are having 8 letters. So arranging 8 letters is 8 factorial upon 2 factorial 4 factorial. So this is the arrangement of assassin without any condition. Now we have to apply gap method, means first we have to arrange these letters. So there are 4 letters. So these 4 letters will be arranged in how many ways? It is 4 factorial ways, out of which 2 A's are same. Okay, so for that we have 2 factorial. Now because we guys have arranged 4 person, so we guys have created 5 seats. So in those 5 seats we have to place this S. So there are 4 S. So we will select 4 seats out of 5 seats first, and then we will arrange these 4 persons. So 4 factorial, as 4 letters are being repeated, so for that 4 factorial. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now let's do the simplification part. So we have 4 factorial gone. Then we will simplify things. This 2 factorial and 2 factorial will get neutralized. So on numerator we have 4 factorial. So 4, okay, we will write this. So this is 4 factorial, and then we have 5C4 is nothing but 5. So this is 5 factorial, and then we have 8 factorial by 4. So I can write 8, 7, 6 and 5. So this thing gone, and this 4 factorial can be written as 4, 3, 2. So 4 2s are 8, done. 3 2s are 6, done. So we are left with 1 by 14. Therefore the required probability is 1 by 14. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.